the pavilion gathering. What we have here is an F355 GTB 95 gears. Why is it a 95? Well, firstly, there is this steering wheel, which is a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's not a 4-spoke airbag steering wheel. This is a special feature found on the early F355. And also, as you can see from here, it's a bit hard to see, but this is the M2.7 monotronic engine management system. What is the difference between this and the F355? Okay, the biggest difference is the intake design is going this way. In this car, there are 2 intake pipes that go straight into the inlet manifold. On the later car, M5.2 management system, there's a Y shape. There's 2 airbox that merge into single sensor and go into the inlet manifold. Okay, this one gives additional 5 horsepower. Ferrari claims so. I don't know if it's true or not, but still. And yeah, that's the beauty of early car. And this one have Capristo stage 3 exhaust system and QB headers according to the owner. It sounds fabulous. I think later when they are leaving, there will be some very nice stuff coming out of this car. And yes. And also, today here, we have 3 F355, 2 F355 Berlinetta, and both of them is this earlier version 1995 with the M2.7 MAF, and then there's the Spider yellow one, which is a M5.2 because Spider only comes in 1996. And yes, that's it.